Hey Ryan, this is Ali, and this video is the part of estimated production is inaccurately displaying as actual and large inaccurate usage on last day. And I see your comment that thank you for your video. I'm sorry, I made a mistake for logic. So you updated the Excel sheet. So actually, I think you have done a mistake that here maybe I think the year must be 2017 and these are the date range which have some conflict between me and you that okay, so these are the actual dates which come from the pump side. 11:13 you separate 9 hours, this becomes 11:12, 11:13. Then we don't have the data on 14 and 15, so we have the bar for 14 and 15 in gray. And I'm a little bit confused that why you say that on 11:16 the bar should be gray, because we have the data on that day. We have a pulse count value where we plot the gray bar on that day, because actually this is the these data timestamps are actual data on the map site. And when we give that this data in the chart building library, then we have data on 11:16. When 11:16 we have the pulse count 12161 and 2751 gallons per day, and we plot that in as a blue bar, not as a gray bar. If we have the same case as the 14 or 15, then we need to plot the gray bar, but we have the value on 11/16 2017, and which is actually 12161. And that's why we plot the blue bar. uh, I see your comments that you say that we don't have no okay, we don't know the exact production because we don't have the pulse data on 15. Okay, we don't have the value on 15, but we have that value on 16. That's why the bar should be gray, because our logic behind the set water charts for usage charts, if we have a specific data on a day, then we plot blue or a red dot. If we have a zero production on that day, we plot the red dot. If we have a production on that day, we plot the blue bar. But we plot the gray bar only in case of if we don't receive any transmission on that specific day. But in our scenario against SN90, we have a pulse count value on 11:16, and that is 12161. So the bar on 11/16 2017 must be blue instead of gray. So I could not understand actually why you are saying that on 11:16 the bar should be gray, because we have the data on 11:16, so that's why we'll plot the blue bar on the chart. So kindly run resolve this conflict, because this is uh, I know the exact logic which is implemented on the backend for the chart building. So I describe that logic in this video. So if you want to update any kind of thing in that logic, then kindly update me. Or because in the current scenario we have the data on 11:16 and we plot the blue bar instead of gray bar. So I am waiting for your feedback. Thank you.